Mommy, look at Jaden.
Oh. You were silly.
Why don't you look at him again, Mommy?
You're going to have to be hosed off.
It was running down his face and he could feel it. It started up here, the piece initially, started running down his forehead, and you can see his eyes. His eyes looked like this, and looked up and looked down, and then looked at me and smiled. It's recording him now again.
Take some pictures.